Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my students of level 6. We are going to start our lessons today. Our unit today, Unit 4, okay, page number 40. We will start our rule today about adjective, comparative, and the superlative. Okay, we know that the adjective contains long adjective and short adjective. Okay, the short adjective we add to the short adjective when we use comparative. We add er, then we add than. Okay, but in the superlative, we add est. We use the short adjective and use est. Okay, but the long in the long adjective we use the most plus the long adjective. This is superlative. But when we use comparative in the long adjective, yes, we use more or less before the short adjective. Now we are going to answer this exercise about how to get comparative or superlative. Let's start. Okay, the first adjective is long. Long. So this is a short adjective. Okay. When we use comparative, we use yes, longer, longer, and the superlative of long is yes, the longest, the longest, long, longer, the longest. Okay. The second adjective, slow, slow. The comparative is yes, we add er, slower, slower, and the superlative is the slowest, the slowest. We add est. Number 3, big, big. So the comparative is bigger, bigger, and the superlative is the biggest. We noticed that we doubled the letter G. Yes, because there is a vowel letter before G and another vowel letter after G. So we double the letter G in bigger or the biggest. Okay. The fourth adjective is thin, thin. The comparative is thinner. Yes, we double the letter N. Yes, thinner, thinner. And the superlative is the thinnest, thinnest. Okay. After that, friendly, friendly. The comparative is friendlier. We convert Y to I and added ER. And the superlative is the friendliest. Friendliest. We converted the Y to the letter I and then added EST. Okay. Number 6, tidy. Tidy. The comparative is yes, tidier. Tidier. The same as the previous example. We converted the letter Y to I and then added ER. And the superlative from tidy is the tidiest. The tidiest. Okay. Ambitious. Ambitious. This is a long adjective. Okay. Ambitious. The comparative, we can't add anything. So we can use yes, more ambitious. More ambitious. And the superlative is the most ambitious. The most ambitious. Number 8, hardworking. Hardworking. Yes, it's a long adjective. So we will use more. More hardworking. And in the superlative, we use the most hardworking. The most hardworking. Yes, there are irregular adjectives like good, bad, far, and little. Okay? There is no rule for that. So we will use a comparative of good is yes, better, better. And the superlative is the best, the best. Yes, the adjective bad, the comparative of bad, when you use comparative of bad, yes, it's worse, worse. When we compare between two persons, we use worse. I said that girl is worse than that boy, worse. And the superlative is the worst, the worst. Okay? Far, far, yes. When we use comparative, we use farther or further. And the superlative, we use the farthest or the furthest. Okay? And the last adjective here is little, little. Okay? When we use comparative of little is less, less. And the superlative is the least, the least. Okay? Thank you, my students.